Alright, hello everyone. Oh boy, how will we do this? Hey, baby. Welcome, welcome. This is really hard. Hmm. Kinda, not spawn rate as is, but item spawns in general. Hmm. I have to do multiple things here. First, we need a point where items can spawn. Second, we have to choose or tell him what kind of items he can spawn, in what frequency. We have to let him spawn once when the level loads, or at least determine what will be spawned at level load. And when we pick it up, leave the cave and come in again, it should not spawn one again. It needs to be persistent. How do I do this? I believe when I load the level, it gets destroyed. The cave one, that is. Or is it loaded? Gotta find out. Could it be that our gates are broken now? Did I refactor something and they don't work anymore? Can well be. Let's see. No, they still work. But how? How does this still work? How does this get something out of it? Hold on. Ah. Or? Never mind, no. Initialize key. That goes into the payload. Comes from the point of interest. See. I see. Still there. The thing is, if I spawn things, they don't spawn on the levels, they spawn in their own little world. Oh, this is so... Man, I'm at a loss how to tackle this. I have multiple problems right now. Oh my god. Are we using this? I guess we are using this to item. This means if I spawn items, I need to add them into that interaction list. They can be hidden and shown again. So hopefully our log will only appear once. Times. So we do memorize what level we loaded already, so we don't initialize it completely again. Because we only don't hide it. Right? So how do we put a key into the interaction list? One is here. Other thing is the whole function itself. The point of interest, we look into it, blah 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 blah. Trigger, and then we just add it here. It's just a search function. So I just go with point of interests, look for, I mean, I could maybe also make an OR here, or a switch, whatever I choose, and then just create them, and then add them into the interactable. What do we do with this? No. Initialize keys, items, just items maybe? Okay, let's say I can create items here by looking for the keyword. How do I fill it? How would I link the drop table with the item itself? If I use a table, that is. Maybe the item itself knows how much it can drop, but it would be very stupid if I use like 50% this item, 50% this item, and then I need the same table somewhere else, copy paste it over, and then something changes, I have to change everything. Should use tables. So how do I link a table in? I just give it a variable that can hold a table. Hey Green! Welcome, welcome. How are you doing, man? What abstract interaction, so just make another for item pickups. Like so. And this guy could just have a variable. Damn, but how do I fill it then? I mean, okay, this can have a data table. But this is getting spawned. So do I create a table, put that table into another table, which has then an ID, and I use that ID in the payload of the point of interest? I guess it does not go in here. This thing should be a representation of an item with a collider, that is. You have to give it a item ID though. Representation can be later. In the end, it doesn't do anything else than this, but comment is different. It's really badly programmed. I could just make this one more generalized and use it for everything. Hold on, what's going on? I thought I turned off Steam notifications. Seems like I still have to do some settings. I need some refactoring here, I think. I need to make these things more arrow-proof, human arrow-proof. What is this? Why is this max? What does that even mean? Unless it was just on the wrong thingy. Now let's think. How can I make this usable so that it just spawns the correct item? Hey, Jamie. How are you doing, man? My brain is right now really fried. Yeah, kinda. I'm doing something very risky right now. Oh god, I hope this works. this ever happens. Oh my god. Man, today is a very, very complicated day. Not sure about this thing. I might cast myself. I should cast myself. Oh my god, my brain is exploding. Going haywire. Self. Casts. 2. Item pickup. Get data table. What was it again? Pool. And then do something with this and initialize it so it can visualize the item, have the item ID, etc., etc. For now, we leave it out, but we will do this. In my head, this should work. If we are not missing something. Up. So it is from type point of interest. It has a type here. which goes then to item pickup, and then it should do something. Let's see if it does do something. Our legacy point of interest should still work, but at some point I should exchange them. Now we go in here. Should do the spawning, and it didn't. Point of interest, please. The item pickup. Here it is. Didn't spawn though. The collider. Pickup, collider. What happened here? Maybe it didn't even trigger. Could be. Let's see. And didn't initialize. Does this code not go through? What's going on here? Should. Now, this is the important part. So it does that, but it does not do the item itself. I am probably missing something. Oh. Oh. Of course. If payload is empty, then the key cannot work. Much better. Now it should do it. Yep, there it is. Our first item. Although tempted to read payload at point 1. Why? Something is fishy. Attempted index 1, but why? Somewhere here. Maybe even in here. No, must be here. Only there. Ah! Interesting, I'm using the payload for the ID. Huh. Well, yeah, but the key it works. Although we can then change it at some points. Could also use the ID for that. But for items we need to use the ID itself. Okay, now our item is there in the map and should only be created once. Now I want to use kind of table to set it up. Okay, so how should this table look like? I want to use a ton of tables, probably. Maybe like in Minecraft, you know? There are like these loot drop tables, right? And they have different kinds of tables, and they just use it on treasure maps and so treasure chest and so on. I guess I could go with that. I could do for every single island a specific table for the item drops. and then reuse it at item spawn points. Just plug it in. Right? Or should I do it some other way? I mean, I want to heavily control what item spawns can have and can't, and in what chance they drop these things. So I can create one table and use it in many, or I can create a table per item spawn points. Okay, we will do that. Now, where do I create it though? It is part of the point of interests here. But maybe I will just do it on the interaction stuff for the items. Let's first design a struct. Item pickup pool table. It's not a pool, right? It cannot get empty. But I guess I have no better word for it. So let's see, what does this thing need? Needs an entry. I mean, the first thing will be an index, and I could use the index as the item ID already. Okay, so we don't need the ID. What we need is a spawn rate. I will use a float for this. 1 being 100%, and anything below that, not in minus, will be like the percentage to that. 0 being 0 chance, 1 being 100% chance. Drop chance. Do I need anything else? Maybe some kind of flag, like an array of flags where if I make a mission, complete a mission, then that item gets unlocked to be spawned here now. Something the like. Although then I also need to recalculate the drop rates. I guess I have to work with weights instead of percentage. Drop chance, weight. So I can then just say this has weight 1, this has weight 2. And if another item now comes into play, I don't have to recalculate. I just, in the table itself, I just take all the weights and divide them by the numbers, and then I have the chance. Okay, this is weight. Perfect. We will do it like that. Then, now I need a folder for item pick up pool tables. And then I could organize this in islands and so on, but for now we will just start with one. Pick up. Let's call this island 1, cave 1. Item pickup pool table. IPPT. So now we add this. Say there's a chance for none. Oh, we cannot say none to that. Empty. So sometimes there is no item pickup. Then we have item 001. I have the feeling if I do it like this, it will be very, very hard to maintain. I have to write every single row name correctly. A drop down would be very, very helpful here, but I cannot just have a drop down for the row names. I would need another entry here. Maybe the left side is like, who gives a damn? Just a number. I guess. I don't need to identify item anyway. Okay, we go back. Restructure this. But we now need a drop down for items. We have an item list here. Maybe we change this ID into enum. Is an enum better? I cannot copy paste an enum, no? Or can I? Maybe I will... No. We will not use an enum because I can just export a table and use a table editor, and then I can just make it more usable. Okay, never mind. That's no problem actually, what we have here. So I have to get rid of it again. How though? Like this? Okay. So what was it called? ID, right? ID 00 whatever. Yeah. 000 probably. Yeah, that's the valuable one. Then maybe we also want a heal item. ID 000. And then let's say the healing item weight is 10. The valuable, there's a drop chance of 4. And the empty has a chance of 1. So out of 15 tries, 1 time it will be empty if you go inside. 4 times it will be a valuable item, and 10 times it would be a healing item. Now we have this. I don't need this. I don't need this and this. Now we have the table here. I make this editable in the editor, in the viewport. I go to the cave again, press here, and now I can put in here the tool, or what was it? IPPT. Boom. And now this thing has the table. And with this, I can now go here with the pool table and initialize the item pickup. Now I don't know what we do with the item pickup, of course. This is correct. The payload should be maybe the item ID. So at spawn, I have to calculate it already. How do we calculate this? I need a function for this. Do we use the item controller for the calculation? I mean, why not? But I could also make a library for this. A function library function. And then just call it here. Or we could, of course, put the function in the item pickup. But I will probably use the same functionality for the reward of a battle. So if I use this in a function library instead, it would be preferable. Now where are my helpers? Helper function here. Camera, movement, stats, UI, utility. Do I do a different function library? What would I call it? What would I call it? Or would I put it in the utility functions? I mean, it is a utility. Let's put it in there. Item ID drop calculation or something like that. And then we put in a data table in here. Data table. There, and then this is an ITTP. Then get row names. Get row break no, item pool. We need a local for chances. Okay, we have to multiple, or we have to go inside here multiple times. First, we need the total weight. Total weight. That would be total weight plus whatever this is. And then add it here. Found, of course, always found for each. So then we have the total weight. Now we can use this to make a drop chance. Although this is not an this is now an integer for me, because we are not using it, going with percentage. Weights are still okay. Ints. Boop, boop, boop. Dup, dup, dup. Then, with this random integer in range, minimum being 0, would that be correct? If I have two items, both with weight 1, that means we are 2, so we should start with 1 and end with 2. But then I cannot get... Oh, wait. Okay, and then... One... Selected weight or chance, I don't know, like this. Weight iteration. Now this is a number from 1 to, I think, 15. Yes. So if it says 1, it is empty, which means if it is weight iteration plus this beforehand. Selected. So if the weight iteration, no, if the selected one is equal or smaller, then the weight iteration we need a return. What do we return? An ID. Item ID. If true, we go with this. So would this work now? Every time? We have a dice roll of a 15-sided dice, 1 to 15. Our first weight cannot be 0. It's a 1. If we roll a 1, we say weight iteration plus the drop chance, which is now 1. We rolled a 1. Is smaller or equal 1. True, we go out. Let's say we rolled a 10. Then weight iteration plus the drop chance is 1 is false. Next is a 4. We have 5. 10 smaller than 5. Nope. Next. 15. 10 smaller equal 15. True. Item drop. This should work. So we now have our little helper thingy, which is... What did I say? Calculate drop or something? Yes. We put in the table. And here's our item ID. Boom. And now we can implement the item pickup itself. So here's the thing. Now I would like to be able to read the ID, but probably already can. How do we do it here? We say command whatever. Command is whatever, but this thing. Okay, we can read the payload on it, but for that we should maybe first do it like 1, 1, 1. What do we do with the empty? Hold on. If it goes out with empty, we don't spawn this. Needs to be like this. Alright. Else we are not spawning it. Are you guys still there? What are you guys doing? Let's see. So if it's empty, we don't spawn this thing, we don't initialize it, whatever. But if it's not empty, then we do something. Still didn't find. Alright. Okay, so now the weights are 111. It should spawn it. Let's see what happens. If we now go in there 3 times, it should have a very slim chance that we have the same thing 3 times. But hopefully we will get different things. Let's see. So we are in. It's empty. I wonder. Did it break or did it really not spawn? I should maybe not use empty at first. Maybe ID 0003 for now, just to make sure that thing works. Hey Scene, hello. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing, man? 6 people. Thanks for the raid, man. It's not working. Wait. It was working, now it's not working. Why? Why? What did I do? What did I do? Is it breaking here? Should be true. What's going on here? What it does though? Oh wait, why am I going with self here? Oh my god, of course, this cannot work. Should be like this. Wait. They are called Orblings. Well, what's new? I implemented a inventory system. It is very rough right now, but we can buy things and so on. Like, we have a little inventory thing here. We can use items here. I could heal my Orblings, but they are not damaged. We have some Orbling shops and management systems. Here is my little item shop where there's some dialogue now. We can buy stuff, we can sell stuff. I could sell this valuable and get more money, and so on. And now I'm building a system for item drops on the overworld so we can pick them up. Like in an RPG. Every RPG needs items on the floor. Or in chest or something, right? So we go into this cave here. And we should have an item here. Let's check what ID it has. And the ID is 0002. And hopefully it is not again 0002 if I go in here. There's a random chance. There's a 1/3 of a chance it being 0003 right now. 2, I mean. Check it again. Is it different? 3. Perfect. And maybe it is 0000 even if I go again. That would be nice. But how big are the chances? Oh, I was lucky. So there is that. Okay, and now, if I go here, we have our drop. Where was it? On the point of interest, I think. Was it? Where are my tables? Where did I put them? Ah, here. No. Am I crazy? Where did I do my drop tables? Directions, items, here. Now I can give them other weights. We can say empty. The valuables will be 4 and the heal item will be 10. So I would now expect the heal item to drop more often than the valuable. Let's see. Let's try it 3 times. Or maybe more, I guess. I don't know. Let's try some more times. Maybe I could put this item thing somewhere else so I can check it more easily. Okay, healing item, as we expected. Healing item should drop now very, very often instead of the other things. Like a 2/3 chance it being healing item. Wait. Oh. Healing item. Hold on. Let's put them in the start area so I don't have to walk there all the time. What was it? Start area here. Our point of interest, please. Item, item, item. This one with ITTP. No. What was it called? Pool? IPPT. Okay. Item 1. Copy, paste. 2. Copy, paste. 3. 4. Let's make 8. Oops. Copy, paste. Wait, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now our level root. Let's do this. Looking good. And let's try it again. So there are our items, 1, 2, 3. One is empty and it didn't spawn. Perfect. So there was a rare chance at not being here. Then close all of this. So this is an healing. Healing, healing, healing. No. Valuable. Healing, healing, healing. Yeah. So 1 of 7 is a valuable one. And I would expect it like this. So we can close this again and open it with a different outcome. Now that none of them is empty. Valuable, healing, healing, valuable, valuable, healing, healing, healing. I guess that's how our rates are, right? I could now, of course, make it very, very obviously very hard for the other things to spawn. Let's make this 100. There is a very slim chance them still spawning, but now I would expect only one maybe instead of 2 or 3. And very high chance all of them being healing items, which is 0. There they are. This is 0, 0, 0. Oh, 2. 0, 0, 0. Okay, I wouldn't expect them to spawn that many times. 0, 0. So maybe I should debug my little randomizer or random picker just to be sure what's going on. Print. What numbers are you selecting? Should have the total weight here. Maybe I didn't save the thing here? I don't know. Let's also print out the total weight. Print. Here. Did it many times, selected 69 and so on. Maybe I should give them a little more info. Ah, my music. What's all? Selected. Now let's see. Total. Yes. So total of 105. Selected is 50. 53. 78. 9, very close. 24, 68, 20, 80. So everything should be 0. Zero, 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 zero. Okay, then that one time it was just a one time off because this thing clearly works. Alright. So now we have the item IDs. Now I have to be able to pick them up and add them into my inventory. And maybe at some point item limits for shop for storage pick up for item pick up on overworlds, and maybe menu to choose what to drop for reward. So let's make it first that it goes into our inventory though. Where do we do it? Where is our item pickup? This guy. When we execute, it sends this with the command, and the command is item pickup. So if we are here, player interaction, save game, blah 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 blah, interaction type. Do I add it here? Where do we set this? None. Action type. Ah, wait. Here, item. Interaction type, item. Did I add item just now, or was that always there? I think this should be key, no? Yeah, we never changed this. This should be key now. And key is used differently. Now let's see if that switched over. It's very important. Key, okay. Item pickup shouldn't be a key though. Add item pick up. Save. This guy is interaction type. Interaction type, why is it not here? Oh, I need to refresh this. There we go. So interaction type is now here. We set here and overworld interaction exit controller. What does key do? Goes here, interaction item with this. Pick up key. Overworld controller. Why would I go to overworld controller for this? Interaction add key to items. Ah, sorry. Ah, we have to remove it, yes. Clean up. Update exit state. That's not true, but we have to clean up this, right? Destroy. Destroy. Why am I implementing this in the overworld controller though? Why is it not in the player? Why is the key here and not in the overworld controller? Was it because the overworld player has too many functions? I think the function here is wrong. It shouldn't be in the overworld controller, but well, whatever. Item pick up. Oh, we're already in 2 hours. But I'm almost done anyway. And this is okay. We wanted to copy paste. That's not true. Add key to item. This, no, I don't like this. I don't like this. I will probably make a cleanup for this. Get add key from overworld controller to the player controller or storage controller. I guess I will add it to the storage controller instead. It has almost no functions and it is already using this correct thing, so pick up item now goes into this thing. Pick up item. And we can get rid of this. We use it anywhere? No. And it is item pickup. Item pick up. We can copy stuff from here though, anyway. Oh, or we can't. We need this though. Get this. Carried items. Add this guy. Then find level whatever and we do all of this. And with this we should have the item then in our inventory and it should disappear on the world. But I need to fire it. Storage. Fast storage. And then pick up item. Oops. Need to pop one. Like this. And we are almost done. Just need to add it here. Let's see if it works. Oh, we have a problem here. Okay. Cleanup interaction goes to what? Ah, the interaction itself. Good. Now it should be good again. So now we can pick this up. And if I now look in my inventory, healing, healing, healing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like items. Healing, 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 healing. There we go. We have item pickups now. Let's change this real quick to 10. Now we have 1, 2, 3 and whatever, and it stops with test, battle, heal item. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not one of them is valuable though. Was it that low? The chance. Ah, there we go. This time there are valuable. So it is random. Testing randomness is rather hard, but I think it's working. Are you working towards a play test? What's the next major milestone? Well, the milestones we have here. Where do I have my little thingy? Like, what I have on there and on my stream title on the right, it says inventory system. That's my milestone right now. I'm trying to do the findable items on the overworld, which we probably have. I need to do some more cleanup and then it's done. And next step is to get rewards after battles. When that's done, I will pick one of these things and work on that system. The next system will probably be experience and growth, so our Orblings can evolve and we can see some change. So I'm really not sure when I have something future complete in a sense for a prototype, but I'm working on it. Right now there are many things still missing. Especially this. This is like a core feature. Without this, there's no point in playing anyway. But I guess when I have this, maybe then I have something playable? I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, this is the next big step. But great, our item system is growing and growing. And it's working. I had a hard time to concept this, but looking back, I think the concept isn't that bad. It just works. And it is very workable too. I can just do my little tables whenever I want and then just put them into point of interests. I can go here into map and then to my start area, and here are my point of interests, and I have a table in here, and the tables I can then just create in here, and then here I can organize all the item pool tables, and I will probably use the same tables for the battle rewards, and I can then reuse my little function too, and then we will see. I guess I will tomorrow do a little cleanup for this thing, and then add limits on our backpack, how many items you can carry, and then use that to limit what you can pick up and get from the shop and so on. And if your inventory is full, there must be a warning or something. I will work on that tomorrow, I think. And then we are done with the findables. I mean, the findable is done. And then we will do the battle rewards. And we're done with the inventory system. Anyway, guys. Bevy. Sleepy. Green. Raiders. Did I say yummy? Wait. Sleepy, Yummy, Green, and Scene. There we go. Thanks for tuning in. Also Raiders. Thanks for tuning in. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.